Hi, welcome back. When it comes to on-page optimization, we have two goals. Number one, we optimize a landing page for Google so it ranks high. But at the same time, we also optimize the landing page for the visitors of your website, for humans, for your prospects. So they spend more time on the website. Now, the longer people spend time on your site, the more chances of them to become your customers. Having bold, italics, or underlined content on your website will not help with search engine optimization, but it will help in two other ways. One, people will be able to see those words prominently. And if that's what they were looking for, they'll spend more time on your website. So the longer they stay on your site, the better for your search engine rankings. And two, because they'll easily spot what they're looking for, if you do it the right way, then the chances of them becoming your customers are higher. A real quick example. Let's say someone Googles free mold inspection, and you have a landing page dedicated to free mold inspection. When they land on that landing page of your website, and if it says prominently on top in, let's say, bold or underlined that we provide free inspections, and maybe the city names in which you provide services in, it will catch attention of your prospects because that's what they're looking for. And so the chances of them becoming your customers increase. Same thing, let's say if someone is looking for carpet cleaning deals. Now they find your page, they come to your landing page and it says right up on top, our carpet cleaning deals for the week are, and then the word carpet cleaning deals is in bold or underlined. It will get their attention. It'll catch their attention and they'll see exactly what they're looking for, which will make them spend more time on your website, which is going to help you in multiple different ways. Okay. So technically, as per Google, having your search phrases in bold or underlined is not going to help you with your rankings, but it has other benefits, which then will increase your rankings as well. Now, having said this, I don't want you to bold every other word or every search phrase on your website. You may have noticed that on some of your competitor sites, when you go to their landing pages, they'll have all the cities in bold or they'll have all the key phrases in bold. That doesn't look good. That doesn't look professional. So you don't want to overdo it. You just want to do it in a way that it looks reasonable to search engines and humans. Okay? So I hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next video.